Section 11 of an Alphabet of History. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. An Alphabet of History by Wilbur D. Nesbit. Kidd. Oh, William Kidd was a pirate bold, Yo ho, my lads, yo ho! He sailed the seas in search of gold, Yo ho, my lads, yo ho! He sailed on both sides of the line, The Skull and Bones he made his sign. Where he found wealth he said, "That's mine," 3 centuries ago. Oh, William Kidd was a pirate bad, 3 centuries ago. A very dark repute he had, Yo ho, my lads, yo ho! He'd board a ship and take its hoard, Then, "Walk the plank!" he fiercely roared, "The ship is all that I can board." Yo ho, my lads, yo ho! Oh, William Kidd was a pirate great, Yo ho, my lads, yo ho! He said, "I'll rob you while you wait," 3 centuries ago. He had a long, low, rakish craft, With long toms both before and aft, And wickedly and loud he laughed, Yo ho, my lads, yo ho! Oh, William Kidd was a pirate big, Yo ho, my lads, yo ho! He feared no frigate, bark, or brig, Yo ho, my lads, yo ho! And while his grim flag flapped and tossed Above the ship that Bill Kidd bossed, His victims knew just how they lost 3 centuries ago. Oh, William Kidd was a pirate then, 3 centuries ago. If he should come to life again, Yo ho, my lads, yo ho! The chances are that he would just Go out and organize a trust. He knew the way to raise the dust 3 centuries ago. End of Section 11.